Josh is here, so this is gonna be his first time seeing the bike. Hope he likes it.
Today's the day. Oh shit!
Are you here with me? Are you here with me? I woke up on the forest floor, naked and covered in blood. I thought to myself, my God, what have I done?
Cheers, dog. Damn, Yeti, you fucking killed it. Give me a hug. I can't believe this shit is real.
Well, and honestly, like, really, the only thing from the original bike is just the fucking motor and about a foot of the frame.
We were just looking at the pictures last night of how it looks stock. She was like, what came off of this bike?
Yeah, almost
I'm
nothing.
like, literally just the motor, I think, at this point.
Yeah, it's pretty much a
You
brand new
fucking
bike.
crushed it, bro. Look at all these details. Look at the fucking chain. Look at it. Get over here. Look at this. Come look at this shit. You see this? You see that?
Belltown or
You
no
see that right
town,
there?
Baby. Riverside forever. Fucking fired up, dude. Wow.
That's a fucking chopper.
How hyped are you, B?
I'm stoked.
Yeah.
I'm like, can I come with you right now, or?
Hop on the back?
Yeah.
First try in neutral. Got it. Dude, it runs so good. It feels so comfy. I'm so used to these bars too. It just feels like,
You know, and it, like, you can plant your elbows like right on your fucking knees and just tuck in, and you're just in there,
dude.
Oh, that's the chopper sit. That's the chopper stance right
Hey,
there.
you gave me this idea, Rob, when we went to Kernville. I saw you on the freeway just like this. I was like, I want to be like that guy right there.
That's cool.
Fuck yeah, dude. I can't thank you enough, Yeti.
Of course, man.
You fucking crushed it. Made with the blood, sweat, and tears of Riverside. Yeah, dude, I saw him at the red light when we were pulling up. And from far away, I could just see a narrow front end. I'm like, oh, that looks like someone's got a cool ass bike over there. I'm like, oh my God, wait, that's mine. And I freaked out.
Yeah, I took it on a test ride earlier, and I had no desire to bring it back. This thing is fucking fun.
I was like daydreaming about this. It's so crazy seeing this in person, like come to life.
Where are you gonna keep this thing?
In my fucking living room, literally.
Centerpiece, dude.
Yeah, this is beautiful. And we're doing a photo shoot with Meredith Devine tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow with this. Yeah,
Heck
B's
yeah.
gonna get all sexy on it.
Nice.
And I'm just gonna be like,
Feels good.
yeah. You're gonna look hot as fuck on this tomorrow.
I'm just gonna pose on it like this.
Yeah. What's that movie? Forgetting Sarah Marshall? Remember he's in Hawaii and the tourists are at the table with their food?
Oh, with their forks.
Yeah, that's gonna be her next to
The little Asian couple.
Yeah, exactly.
Looks so good.
I was gonna ride to Crooks.
Yeah.
You know, and shake my dick for the boys.
Oh, good.
You know?
Shaking ass.
Shaking ass for the
Called
boys,
shaking
yeah.
ass.
Yeah,
You're not allowed to shake your dick for anyone but me.
yeah.
Oh, listen, what are you doing? You shaking the ass for the boys again?
Yeah, she's like, you shaking ass for the boys, aren't you?
If you're stopped at a light and you have your foot on the brake, you're gonna feel the whole bike shaking.
Yeah.
You take your foot off the brake, you're not gonna feel it anymore. Like
Hard
it's-
bolted in
it's-
every spot.
Everything's fucking hard mounted on these things. So
I felt like I was in a clapped out Honda, just like rocking back and forth at the red light, you know, like those fools.
yeah.
It's
Mount,
fucking
pull
beautiful,
mount.
Yeti. Did great, man.
Thanks. And your controls are actually custom too. These are TC Bros, but they originally come with pegs that look like this. That
Yeah, I
are
was gonna
knurled.
say I love these. They're placed perfectly.
So
they're so comfy.
I made this fit. This is an Anderson peg, like this one and this one. That way they all fit. But I have the knurled peg. But I had to machine this off and do some custom shit on it. So. Honestly, the only parts that I didn't have to customize at all. Actually, no. I touched everything. The headlight. That's it.
Dude, I can't believe this is real right now. I can't get over the air filter though, dude. Like,
yeah, that's
come
all.
on.
That's handmade. There's no filter in it. It's just like a bug catcher. So it's not a dirt bike, obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, fucking send it. Send it. Oh.
My dog.
Last night I dreamed about you. I prayed into the sky. And I woke up all alone again. It made me wanna die. But how can I stop feeling when everything's on fire? So I close my eyes and breathe you, God. Please wake me from this life.
All right, y'all, that's it for this one. This thing's all dialed in. Took it on a test ride. Runs great. I think Josh is pretty happy with it.
I'm more than happy. I had a vision in my head, and Yeti executed it far beyond my imagination. With that being said, I think he's more than deserved of a follow, a subscribe. Hit him up on YouTube, Yeti Machine Co. Hit him up on Instagram, Yeti Machine Co. If you don't know how to spell it, then go back to school and learn how to fucking spell. It's Yeti Machine Co. All one word. Need I say more, dude? Riverside.
Hell yeah.